You have no money, no fund, you want to be involved with real estate investment? Of course you can, because the fund or the money is one of the criteria or aspect of real estate investment. You can use credibility. Welcome to Wealthy Wednesday. Today we'll discuss about what is credibility and how to use it for real estate investment, even if you don't have any cash money or money for investment. Credibility is something what builds from the trust, what gets built up slowly with people with your sphere of influence. One of the thing about credibility is you always have to keep that trust, because it takes a lot of time to build that trust, but it can break in a heartbeat. So there's different way we can use the credibility. One is the credit. If you are getting a funding from a bank and if you have a good credit score, if you have your credit report looks good, you always get a better loan from the bank. The other thing is, maybe you have a friend who has money but who does not have time or who does not have experience to do real estate investment. Here you, being that credible person, come to the scene. You can do a partnership with someone has fund, and with your credibility you can give them a good return on their investment. Now you have the knowledge, you can use it to build up your real estate investment. If you have any question, you can always call me. This is a subject I can go hours on with you, with putting it together, different numbers, how can you use it, and how can you make it as a long-term real estate investment business. Feel free to make a comment. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Anytime reach out to us. Thanks for watching Wealthy Wednesday. See you next week. Have a great week ahead.